Hello students, let's have some fun learning about Mughal Empire. First, what you will learn in this chapter, the objectives of this chapter are trace the political history of the 16th and 17th centuries, understand the impact of an imperial administration at the local and regional levels, illustrate how the Akbarnama and the Anai Akbari are used to reconstruct history. Let's overview of this chapter. The Mughal were descendants of Genghis Khan and Timur. The founder of empire, was Babur, and the last great Mughal emperor was Aurangzeb. Abul Fazl wrote the Akbarnama and Anai Akbari books on Akbar and his administration. Mansabdars were Mughal government officials with mansabs, land and authority, and were paid according to their job. Todermal and Akbar's revenue minister introduced the tax revenue system called Jabt that was used all over the Mughal Empire. There were frequent fights among Mughal princes for the title and power of the empire. Mughals. Do you know who were Mughals? The Mughals, who originally belonged to Central Asia, later on migrated to India in search of plenty, power, and peace. From their mother's side, they belonged to Genghis Khan, and from their father's side, they belonged to Timur. The Mughal descendants from two great lineage, maternally they descended from the house of Mughal Emperor Genghis Khan and paternally from the Turuk Mongol Emperor Timur. Although they were known as Mughal because of their Mongolian descent and they did not like being referred to as Mughals because of some reason, because the name of the Mughal has been marred by massacres and bloodshed. Because of the word Mughal was connected with Mongol and Genghis Khan who killed many people, the Mughals did not like being called that. But the Mughals were very proud of their Timurid ancestry because Timur had captured Delhi in 1398. Look at this picture. This is this picture showing Timur and this is Genghis Khan. Now, it was but naturally that Babur, the founder of Mughal Empire in India, must have inherited strength from Genghis Khan and courage and valor from Timur. The Babur ascended the throne for Ghana in 1494 when he was only 12 years old. But he soon fled because of the invasion of the Uzbeks. He captured Kabul in 1504 and took over Delhi in 1526 by defeating Ibrahim Lodi at Panipat, the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate. If we talk about Babur, the Babur's real name was Jahiruddin Muhammad. His father was a descendant of Amir Tumur, while his mother belonged to Genghis Khan family. Mirza Umar Sheikh, his father, was the chief of Fargana, a small state in Central Asia. He died when Babur was only 11 years old. Babur's enemy deprived him of his Jagir and he had to leave his native place in despair. Now come to the next emperor of Mughal, Humayun. Humayun became king after Babur, but internal problems and his defeat to Sher Khan at Chausa and Kannauj forced him to flee to Iran, where he received the help of Safavid Shah and recaptured Delhi in 1555. But he died soon after in an accident at his palace. When Humayun succeeded Babur, he was surrounded by enemies. The Afghan and the Rajput were still hostile. The ruler of Gujarat, Bahadur Shah, worked to extend his empire, and Sher Shah, the Afghan ruler of Bihar, wanted to overthrow the Mughals. There were many revolts in the empire. Even his brother Kamran revolted against him. Humayun was able to defeat Bahadur Shah, but he could not stop him from recapturing Gujarat. Sher Shah defeated Humayun in the Battle of Chausa and then again at Kannauj, which made the Humayun fly and Sher Shah occupied the throne. Now I am giving you small description about Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah was the son of Jagirdar of Bihar. His real name was Fardeen Khan. He managed his father's Jagir very efficiently. Once he killed a tiger with his sword and was given the title of Sher Khan. He became the leader of the Afghan noble in Bihar and soon thereafter he himself became the ruler of Bihar. He fought two battles against the Mughal emperor Humayun and defeated him. He occupied the throne of Delhi in AD 1540. Thank you. I hope you like my video.